Here we are in Mirabel, Quebec, where we have our industrial production lab, our development lab, and our production facilities in the factory. We have an incubation situation where we have access to the beautiful machines, the expertise of the team that's here.
And it allows us to have two amazing product lines. Actually, we have giant production machinery, which includes 3D printer that are actually open source. And on top of that, we have thermomold and line of products that are made out of 100% responsible material. And all of this responds to our missions. And our mission is to rapidly propagate ecological solutions to our technological applications.
Here we are in the lab, in a 3D printing lab. This is where we build the smaller machines. It's also where we have our development platform. That's where we could test, different heads, different materials, different speeds, and where we work on processes and applications for different industries. We have a few workstations here. We have a museum space. We have a public space. We are open to the public. We want people to come and collaborate and work on these technologies with us. We're going to pursue our visit with a little meeting with the sales team and then a visit down to the factory floor.
Hello, my name is Lena and I'm a project manager at Polyaula. So my task is to organize the team and make sure that everyone has the resources they need to achieve their goals. My motivation here in work and in my life is to have a positive impact on the environment and in society. So I invite you to get in touch if you'd like to have a chat.
Hello, my name is Joanne Benjamin Daleus, commercial representative for Polyaula. I enjoy working at Polyaula. I work with potential clients before, during, and after sales. We focus on applications and we provide a variety of tools and process to meet the client's needs. I invite you to check out our website at polyaula.com for more information. And I get in touch if you want to discuss our projects or our process. Thank you. See you soon.
Hello, my name is Ilan Bisada. I'm a development technician at the Polyaula lab, and I'm here to show you a 3D printer, good for all sorts of molding and testing and products. And I invite you to be in touch if you're into this stuff like I am. It's very interesting. It's massive, large scale. You can print so many different types of things. Just be in touch.
Here we are in the factory where we have 6,000 square feet. There's presses, there's ovens. It's a thermal molding factory, so we do full production. Behind me is, for example, one of the smaller production lines where the sheet comes in at the beginning, it comes forward to a stove, it's put forward once it's heated up into the press at the front of the machine. Out comes the first iteration of our paint chops. This allows us to move them onto the other robots, cut them to size. Here's the best one. Well, I think it's the best one. This beautiful beast is a giant CNC machine, multi-tool head with even a changer. So these tools let us imagine doing many things. We can produce products, we can produce production lines and machinery, all of it financially viable. The company here that does this has the expertise in-house, have been in existence more than 30 years. They are specialized in the really big stuff and also 100% recycled. We're going to go to the other side of the factory and see how that's done.
So here we are in the extrusion line portion of our factory where we prepare all of our materials. All of our supply chain is local. So we believe it gives us an advantage given all what we've seen in the past few years with the broken supply chains. So the 100% recycled materials, recycled plastic locally is entering the factory in the form of semi-chipped plastic. We therefore use our offcuts of our production and we introduce that in our pelletizer, creating our own pellets. With the pellets, we fill those in the extruder. The extruder creates our plastic sheets. The plastic sheets they are therefore used in our thermomold and line of products. At Polyaula, not only we fabricate our own recycled plastic. We contribute to R&D efforts, constantly actively working with innovators and R&D to develop bioplastic, responsible plastic, ensuring the future of ecological plastic solutions, making sure that all of our solutions will always be both economically and technologically viable.
So we're working hard to satisfy our mission, which is the rapid propagation of ecological solutions to technological applications. Our values are quality, transparency, and ecology. We're getting good indications that the markets that we're approaching have an interest in what we're offering.
To follow us, there's a newsletter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Thanks for being there with us today.